One dream, one expedition. A true reflection of an indomitable Bangladesh is the Bangladesh Machine Tools Factory Limited. Built on a fusion of innovation, skill and industry, this institution stands today as a unique symbol of Bangladesh's self-reliance. Located just outside Dhaka, spanning a vast 247 acres in Ghazipur, this vast industrial complex comprises over 19 specialized units. Here, 170 military and civil officers work alongside more than 5,000 employees every single day. Although its journey began in 1969, BMTF embarked on a new path as a state-owned company on February 11, 1979, following independence. Due to weak administration and mismanagement, from 1994 to 2000, production plummeted and eventually came to a halt. Consequently, the government entrusted the operation of BMTF to the Bangladesh Army. Under their skilled leadership and management, BMTF has evolved from just 6 factories into a massive and diversified production hub of 21 factories today. In the BMTF machine shop, through the relentless efforts of employees, metal is transformed into precision components every day. The facility houses over 200 specialized machines, including state-of-the-art CNC, lathe, milling, grinding, sealing, 3D printing, shaper, planer, boring, drill, welding and bending machines. In the cutting-edge CNC section, 3D designs are prepared on computers, creating extremely complex and intricate die molds and various spare parts. Here we are manufacturing 3-ton Orunima Bolian trucks, mobile workshops and ambulances for the Bangladesh Army, as well as luggage trolleys for Biman Bangladesh, flanges for REB poles and various other spare parts. BMTF's machine shop is not just a production center, it is a synthesized form of skill, technology and quality. A vital branch of the production division is BMTF's foundry shop. With an annual production capacity of 1,000 metric tons of ferrous and non-ferrous metal products, precise and flawless components are crafted here daily. It possesses a casting capacity ranging from 250 grams up to 250 kilograms. BREB line, hardware, manhole covers and critical components for agriculture, electricity and vehicles are produced in this shop. The BMTF foundry shop continues to work silently to build a strong foundation for domestic industry and infrastructure. Since every pattern is essential for metal casting, flawless wooden and aluminium patterns are created in the pattern shop through a blend of modern technology and skilled craftsmanship. Equipped with woodcutters, jointers, planers, drills and universal pattern making machines, this shop has established a new benchmark in the country's industrial production process. In the BMTF forge shops, steel is heated to specific temperatures in gas-type furnaces, and then, using forging hammers and press machines with dies and punches, it is shaped into strong and durable components. Through state-of-the-art drop hammers, upsetting hammers, pneumatic mechanical presses, power presses, metal gatherers and roll thread machines, this shop produces quality forged products demanded by BREB, PDB, DESCO, Bangladesh Railway and other government and non-government institutions. There are specific lines for each product, making it suitable for mass production. The fourth shop has the capacity to manufacture about 12 tons daily, totaling approximately 4,000 metric tons of electric line hardware and other steel hardware products annually. BMTF's heat and surface treatment unit enhances the durability and strength and other characteristics of every component. For this, there are continuous heat treatment and semi-automatic surface treatment plants. Through heat treatment, iron is heated to a specific temperature and rapidly cooled to improve the metal's quality. And here, surface cleaning, hardening, and the induction of mechanical properties in iron are carried out, which increases the product's durability and efficiency. Additionally, there is state-of-the-art hot dip galvanizing plant for zinc coating. Here, using semi-automatic machines made in China and Japan, steel is freed from oil, grease and rust through surface treatment and coated with 99.99% pure zinc, rendering steel parts and equipment corrosion resistant for 35 to 40 years. Using advanced machinery and high-quality zinc, the steel components are coated to ensure long-term usability. In 2001, BMTF unveiled a new horizon in Bangladesh's automobile assembly sector. Built with modern technology and skilled hands, this is one of the country's largest automobile assembly centers. Everything from spot welding, painting, and fitting to final inspection undergoes strict quality control. Here, trucks, buses, pickups, jeeps, motorcycles, tractors, prime movers and various special vehicles are assembled. BMTF Limited has the capacity to assemble and market about 3,000 motorcycles and over 1,500 vehicles annually by assembling 5 vehicles daily. Keeping pace with dynamic industrial technology, BMTF's steel structure manufacturing unit began its journey in 2016 with an annual production capacity of 5,000 metric tons. Maintaining international standards, it produces pre-engineered buildings, composite buildings, Bailey bridges, overhead and gantry cranes, transmission and mobile network towers, steel hardware, steel poles, lamp posts, multi-purpose racks, sandwich panels, and any type of customized fabricated structure contributing to the country's major infrastructure projects. An electronic assembly shop has been established combining world-class, state-of-the-art technology and automated machinery. Following ISO 9001-2015 recognized assembly procedures, skilled personnel in a well-controlled quality environment are producing laptops, customized computers, modern electronic products, gadgets and home appliances. In addition, using German and French technology, smart cards with various chip modules, including NID cards, driving licenses, and digital registration certificates are produced here. It has the capacity to produce 5,000 laptops and 300,000 smart cards per month. With the motto "Quality We Care," Army Pharma Limited began its journey in 2019 with a firm commitment to improving health protection and daily living standards. It features 4 strong divisions: medicine, healthcare and hygiene, animal health and packaging. Army Pharma ensures strict quality control in modern labs and adheres to international standards like GMP, ISO and BSTI. The institution proves its transparency and accountability through all necessary legal certifications, including environmental clearance, factory and fire certificates. Using high-quality raw materials imported from Europe, America and Japan, combined with modern machinery, life-saving medicines are created in this division. Every step of the production process, from raw material dispensing to granule creation via fluid, bed dryers and lubrication for tablet compression, is executed perfectly. Tablet compression and coating are completed according to formulation. The same precise and efficient process is followed for capsule production. Only after ensuring quality at every step, such as tablet hardness, friability, disintegration, dissolution and uniformity, does the product move to the next stage, ensuring maximum efficiency and safety. Finally, Army Pharma medicines are marketed after primary and secondary packaging and a batch history review. For animal health, Army Pharma has the Animal Health Division. Nutritious feed and medicines for livestock and fish are produced here. Additionally, by supplying technologically advanced components for poultry breeder farms, it assists farmers in successfully managing their farms. The International Standard APL Packaging Unit works to deliver products to customers while keeping quality intact. This division created a stir by manufacturing and marketing dispensers for the first time in Bangladesh. Using advanced machines and molds, preforms, PET bottles, HDPE bottles, and various types of caps are made from virgin-grade resin. Meeting its own demand, this division also supplies products to renowned organizations like Arong, Square Pharma, and ACI Limited. For daily protection, Germ-Nil brand hand wash, disinfectant spray, floor and toilet cleaners, and hand sanitizers have become essential. Alongside this, for beauty care, the Signature brand has introduced cosmetics like shampoo, lotion and cream. Furthermore, nutraceutical products like electrolyte drinks, tasty saline and soft drink powders are being produced in a hygienic environment, offering unique taste and quality. A symbol of modern aesthetic and durable furniture. Style Wood Furniture began its journey in 2018 under the supervision of the Bangladesh Army. The production process here is mainly conducted in 3 parts: treatment and seasoning, plant wood section, and metal section. Wood is first seasoned for 28 days in chemical treatment and drying plants, ensuring its longevity. Then, bedroom, dining, and drawing room furniture, doors, souvenirs, and crafts are created by the touch of modern automated machines and skilled artists. This institution is also proficient in making medical and special purpose furniture. The main goal of this ISO certified institution is to establish style wood furniture as a symbol of trust in both domestic and international markets. Customers can find their preferred style wood furniture and other products at BMTF's massive 36,000 square foot flagship showroom. BMTF Footwear Factory, where the daily work routine begins with the inspiration of discipline, dedication, and patriotism. In the signature leather and footwear unit, daily use leather goods are created through a combination of experienced engineers, aesthetic designers, skilled artisans, and modern technology. Every product is made through the selection of excellent quality leather, cutting, skiving, and the skillful stitching of expert craftsmen. After lasting, finishing, and polishing, shoes, bags, and belts take their final form. Special care is taken with the insole and outsole of every shoe to make it long-lasting and comfortable. Alongside combat and safety boots for the military, formal shoes, sneakers, and various fashionable leather goods are being produced here. BMTF Footwear Factory stands today as a symbol of trust and a faithful supplier to many national institutions, including the Bangladesh Armed Forces. Touching modernity and keeping pace with the times, BMTF Apparels Limited stands tall as an export-oriented industrial enterprise. International standard clothing is being made here through a combination of modern technological machines and skilled artisans. Producing all types of woven and knit garments, BMTF Apparels creates aesthetically designed clothes to meet the lifestyle and fashion demands of the general public alongside the military and other forces. It has already begun manufacturing and exporting uniforms for the military forces of different countries. Operating in compliance with all international standards, this institution has an annual garment production capacity of $100 million. BMTF Apparels Limited aims to conquer the world through quality and trust. To build a sustainable foundation in the country's infrastructure, housing and power sectors, BMTF's Pole and Pile Factory is today a reliable institution. To accelerate national electricity services, the Pole Factory has been producing international standard electric poles under BUET and MIST approved guidelines since 2014. With the relentless efforts of 1,200 workers daily, over 200,000 electric poles are being made annually at the BMTF Pole Factory. With a market value of approximately 600 crore taka. On the other hand, the BMTF Pile Factory is working with the goal of solid foundation, strong structure in housing and infrastructure construction. Using state-of-the-art technology including modern sheds, large stockyards, mixing machines, auto rod cutting, cage welding and high-capacity cranes, this unit produces 360 piles daily. In numerous commercial and residential constructions across the country, including the Jalshiri housing project, the SPC piles from this unit are symbols of trust, reliability and durability. BMTF's pole and pile factory is committed to playing an outstanding role in the national economy. BMTF Crafties is the only medal and souvenir manufacturing factory in Bangladesh where products are produced on state-of-the-art machines, combining technology and creativity. Superior quality is maintained through a sequence of 7 to 8 steps using high-quality raw materials. While many local metallic institutions import products at high cost, this factory advanced rapidly with the goal of ensuring consumer satisfaction by delivering superior quality products at affordable prices. With a commitment to nature and sustainable development, Bangladesh Machine Tools Factory has established a state-of-the-art eco-friendly packaging factory. Here, a reliable international standard production system is ensured for both paper bags and cartons. Using American and Chinese automatic machines, plain and custom prints on food-grade paper are meeting the demands of the country's leading super shops, restaurants and retail brands, while strong and durable bags are regularly produced for foreign brands. Meanwhile, in the carton factory, cartons, stickers, labels, food boxes and various packaging items are being made using modern semi-automatic machines with German and American technology. Strict quality control is ensured at every stage of production. The BMTF packaging unit has a monthly production capacity of 50 million paper bags and 260,000 cartons. Meeting domestic needs alongside exports to Europe, America and Canada bears the international recognition of our quality. With the goal of energy saving and sustainable development, BMTF Lights Factory is producing international standard electric bulbs branded as Anirban. Production activities are ongoing in this factory, which has a capacity of producing 400,000 unit bulbs per year, incorporating a semi-automatic production line. Correct lumen and light brightness are ensured in every bulb produced here. Currently, BMTF lights are being supplied to the Armed Forces, Dhaka and Chittagong City Corporations, various municipalities and government and non-government institutions, making an outstanding contribution to the country's energy savings. Employee safety is BMTF's highest priority. To ensure a protected work environment, BMTF has established state-of-the-art power generation systems, automated water treatment plants and supply systems. Every production unit has modern safety systems, fire management systems and CCTV monitoring. For firefighting, there are dedicated water reservoirs and pump systems that ensure rapid water supply in emergencies. Additionally, BMTF has its own fire station where fire drills are conducted regularly so that any accident can be controlled in the quickest possible time. BMTF's social responsibility, CSR, a touch of humanity. BMTF is not just an industrial institution, it is a large family. To ensure a modern standard of living for employees, BMTF offers housing facilities, children's playgrounds, mosques, advanced medical centers, well-equipped gymnasiums. For recreation, there are modern picnic spots and BMTF school and college for quality education. Furthermore, to keep employees energized, festival gifts, subsidized goods distribution and free medicine distribution are provided by BMTF, which plays a significant role in boosting employee morale. Never compromising on quality. By ensuring international standards in production, BMTF has achieved excellence in manufacturing, resulting in the acquisition of all types of ISO, BSTI and Alpha rating certificates. Medicines, leather goods, ready-made garments and packaging products produced here are regularly exported to countries in Europe, America, the Middle East, Africa and South Asia, earning foreign currency and showcasing Bangladesh's capabilities in the global market. The pride of Bangladesh, a victory march of progress. Under visionary leadership and the close supervision of the Bangladesh Army, thousands of people have found a dignified working environment and new meaning in life. From highways to battlefields, from hospitals to the corporate world, under the unwavering support and guidance of the Bangladesh Army, BMTF stands today as the symbol of a self-reliant Bangladesh. Embracing the slogan BMTF Excellence in Production, it has started a new chapter of progress where industry and patriotism merge into one.